Do you feel like your energy is drained every time you walk into your living room, as if the space is suffocating you? You are not alone. Wrong furniture choices, incorrect colors, and dim lighting can turn even the largest rooms into gloomy spaces. But don't panic. Today, I'm showing you step by step how to transform even the darkest and most cramped living room into a bright Scandinavian paradise without breaking your budget. The transformation of Home Decor Guide begins right now. The first and most important rule of transformation is creating a clean canvas. The biggest enemy of dark rooms is light-absorbing dark walls or outdated wallpapers. At the heart of Scandinavian design lies the concept of capturing and reflecting light. That's why our first task is to paint the walls white, off-white, or very light shades of grey. This simple change will make the room optically look larger and will reflect even the smallest beam of sunlight. After fixing the walls, we turn our attention to the floor. Old, dark carpets and heavy floor coverings make spaces feel tight. In Scandinavian style, the floor represents nature. We prefer light oak or birchwood tones for the flooring. If you don't have the budget to change your floors, don't worry. You can achieve the same airy effect by using minimalist rugs in cream, beige, or jute tones that cover most of the floor. Now it's time for the center of the room, choosing the sofa. The biggest mistake made in small and dark rooms is using bulky, oversized, and low-profile dark sofa sets. Instead, we choose functionality. We should prefer minimalist and, most importantly, legged furniture in light gray or cream tones. Furniture with open bottoms keeps the floor flowing visually, which makes the eye perceive the room as wider and more spacious. Scandinavians have turned lighting into an art form to cope with dark winter days. A single, powerful chandelier hanging from the ceiling creates harsh shadows, increasing the gloom. Our secret is layered lighting. A stylish floor lamp in the corner, a small sconce for the reading nook, and warm-toned candles on the coffee table. By spreading the light around the room, we gain depth and capture that cozy, peaceful atmosphere called Hygge. It's time to say goodbye to those heavy, velvet, and dark curtains that block the light from entering. We need to leave our windows as free as possible. Linen or sheer curtains allow daylight to filter in while maintaining privacy. Linen, cushions, and cotton throws added to the sofa will bring warmth while supporting that light and airy feel of the room. Let the sun shine in and feel the immediate difference. Scandinavian style is not just about a white box. It's about inviting nature inside. Plants add a perfect contrast and vitality to this pastel-toned room. A large leafed monstera or a snake plant placed in the corner instantly changes the vibe of the room. On the walls, instead of complex and eye-straining frames, we complete the design by using calming, abstract, and minimalist artwork. Simple, organic, and beautiful. And here is the result. There is absolutely no trace left of that dark, energy-draining room we started with. With the right colors, cleverly chosen furniture, and the power of light, this place is now a true oasis of peace. If you want to make these kinds of changes in your own home, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share in the comments which step you liked the most. Home Decor Guide will continue to beautify your home. See you next time.